Crowd surge and confusion over trains led to stumbled railways. 18 thus confirmed announcement of special train to led to sudden surge from one platform to another. Nearly 2,600 additional tickets for unreserved seats were sold on Saturday evening. Passenger rush exceeded capacity of platform. The stampede that led to the death of 18 people at the New Delhi railway station on Saturday night was caused by confusion over two trains headed to Prayagraj and Express and a special train meant Maha Kumbh Mela pilgrims. According to a preliminary investigation by Indian Railways, the announcement for the special train led to a mass surge of confused passengers rushing from one platform to another, causing to the stampede. Officials said the preliminary investigation found that the stampede occurred soon after 9:15 p.m. as platform 14 swelled with crowds avoiding the Prayagraj Express. Slated to arrive at 10:10 p.m. Source said approximately 2,600 additional tickets for unreserved seats had been sold on Saturday evening. In comparison to the usual number, adding that the crowd exceeded the capacity of platforms. At this point, the loud speakers announced the arrival of the Prayagraj found Subandranjat special meant for Kumbhodayos on platform 12. Confused passengers thought that it was the Prayagraj Express that had been shifted off platform 12, promoting a sudden surge. A two high-level administrative grade committee has been formed by the railways to investigate the stampede at New Delhi railway station. Officials in the Ministry of Railways said on Sunday.